ಲಾವಣ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್ ಆಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಲಿತರು. ಅವರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಮಾತನಾಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎನ್ನುವ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಿರೂಪಣೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಲೈವ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು ಅವರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಲಿತು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅವರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಲಾವಣ್ಯ.
ಪ್ರಿಯ ಲಾವಣ್ಯ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಲಾವಣ್ಯ. ನಾನು ಗೃಹಿಣಿ. ನನಗೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುರೇಶ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನ್ಯೂ ಬಾಳ್ವಿನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಪತಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್.
Tell about yourself in English.
My name is Lavanya. I am a homemaker. I have 2 children. Elder name is Tejas Gowda. Younger name is Pranam Gowda. My home is in Kalli Shidlagatta. In my family, there are 8 members. My husband, myself, brother-in-law, sister, father-in-law, and mother-in-law. My husband is businessman, but he takes care of me and all family members.
Why did you learn English? Tell me in Kannada.
ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ತರನು ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಮ್ಮಿ ನೀನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮುಂಚೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಿದ್ದೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವಾಗ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು. ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಶಹರಿಕಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫುಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು.
How many marks you wish to give our tutorial on 10?
10 out of 10.
Thank you, Lavanya, for your grading on 10. Talk about Kolar, your favorite places in English.
Kolar is a beautiful place. Kolar gold fields, Kotilingeshwara temple, Antaragangi temple, Someshwara temple, Chikka Tirupati temple, Avani Betta, Markandeshwara Betta, Markandeshwara dam, Ramalingeshwara temple, Someshwara temple. Kotilingeshwara temple is 1 crore Shivalinga. So beautiful place. I and my family, me and my family members went to Kotilingeshwara temple last 2 years back. So beautiful place.
Talk about your husband and family in English.
My husband is Suresh. He is a mobile shop owner. I really like his character and behavior. That is, I love him so much. My mother is Prema. She is a housewife or my mentor and role model. I like her sing. Our family is a joint family. We are living in Lakalli village. Our family is very decent family. May God bless us now.
Talk about your recent trip in English.
My family went to tripped a few days ago. We first visited Udupi Malpe beach. My children are full enjoyed in beach. We went to Sri Krishna temple. Then we visited Dharmasthala and Kukke Subramanya temple. We really liked that trip. We are all enjoyed the trip. I am also full happy.
Make some sentences using interjections.
Wow, that painting looks amazing. Oh no, I forgot my homework. Hurrah, we won the match. Alas, the whole tree is match. Hey, don't touch my bag.
Tell your address using preposition.
Go to Shidlagatta bus stand, then turn on the right in Chikbalapura main road, pass on to bridge, go along the main road, take turn right side in Lakalli gate. Turn gate, move 1 kilometer and go to Othrog railway underpass. move a few step and stop the water tank. Hmm, water tank near the road opposite of my home. My home is between the Muneshwara temple and neighbor's house beside the uh, cow shed.
Tell your routine in English.
I wake up, then I get up, then I boiled water, then I drink water, then I serve leaves to worms, then sweep the floor, then mop the floor, then I wash the face, then uh, I apply for cream, then I comb my hair, then uh, I prepare for puja, then I I go to orchard, then I cut the mulberry leaves, then I return the home, then I wash the face and hands, legs, then I heat food, then I serve leaves to worms, then I sweep the floor, then I I join English class, then I sleep, then I wake up, then and I get up, then Uh, I wash utensils. Then I sweep the floor. Then I serve leaves to worms. Then I prepare dinner. Then I eat dinner. Then I serve food. Then I sleep. Then
Tell about your house and family members.
my family is big family. My house is very clean. There is a beautiful garden in front of the my home. We have practice a new you have purchased new car. uh, my mother is cooking tasty chicken fry. Mahesh is busy with office work. My husband always been very important to my family. My son Tejas is a clever student. Tejas is active in the class. Pranam is very smart. The my my small son is Pranam.
Think you are in PTA meeting at school. Talk about your child academics.
Good morning, madam. I want to talk about my son. He learns new things and quickly and studies regularly, but sometimes he needs more time to understand difficult lessons. He reads and writes neatly, and he always listens attentively in your classes. He is a very polite, honest boy at home. He completes his homework sincerely and answers my questions clearly. He is also friendly with the other children and behaves respectfully with elders. Sometimes he is a little quiet in class, but I want him to practice more confidently in activities. Yeah, I believe he can improve with your guidance, because he is curious and creative. I am I am happy that he cooperates with with classmates and does his work carefully. I hope he will grow into a more responsible, disciplined, and confident student with your support.
Describe the image given on the screen using all parts of
Image
speech.
portrays majestically decorated Ganesha idol, severely seated on a ardently curved multi-throne. The deity itself is a beautiful adorned with a vibrant red and yellow flowers, garlands, and its form as a subtly pinkish hue. The festival and joyful atmosphere created by the surroundings decorations created by the surrounding decorations. A sheer colorful mesh fabrics elegantly dropped overhead, while uh, abundant clusters of shiny black, gold, and blue balloons gracefully from the deity. Several brightly lit lamps hang from the ceiling. Their glow a table gracefully laden with various offerings, fresh bananas, apple, uh, in front a table graceful laden with apple, coconut, and other fruits are neatly arranged alongside a platter of traditional sweets, including perfectly formed modakas. The entire setup is a powerfully and devotional display of faith, thoughtfully and carefully prepared.
We are very happy to announce that you had passed the English speaking test with flying colors. And I also thank you for your cooperation during the classes and bearing the patience while the English speaking trials. I hope you talk with your children in more efficiently. We are here to help you anytime you needed until you become perfect.